Hi everyone, good day. In this video, I'll be teaching you how to share a Facebook page link. Okay, first things first, what you want to do is to open the Facebook app and locate the menu button at the bottom right corner. Within the shortcut sections, find and tap on the specific page you wish to share. For instance, I'll tap on YT tutorial. Once you are on the desired page, tap on the three dots icon situated next to the Like button. Towards the bottom of the menu, you'll find an option labeled Copy Link. Tap on this option to copy the page link to your device clipboard. With the link now copied, you can easily share it through various communication platforms, whether it's email, text message, other social media platforms, or even AirDrop for iOS users. You can paste the link wherever you prefer. Anyways, if you like content like this, don't forget to subscribe to this channel or comment down below any tutorials you want us to make, so we can help you. And that's it. You can now share a Facebook page link. Thanks for watching and happy scrolling.